Hi everyone, I am Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video to talk about the Dimensity 1200 versus the Snapdragon 865 processor. So which processor is kind of really best for the gaming? That is what I'm going to discuss in this entire video. So right now we are getting the Snapdragon 865 processor for a really low price. So mainly on the iQOO 3 and even the Realme X50 Pro as well. We can get for about close to 25,000 rupees. And that is what the problem is, because for the 25,000 rupees you are even getting the Dimensity 1200 as well. And a lot of viewers, they are actually confused which phone to pick up. So either the Dimensity 1200 or the Snapdragon. So I'll try to tell you my experience of using the Snapdragon 865 processor for the past few months. So I do have the two Snapdragon 865 processors with me, which is the first is the iQOO 3 device and next is a OnePlus 8T smartphone. And one thing I can definitely say, friends, the Snapdragon processors are slightly best in terms of the gaming. That is what my opinion is exactly. And next favorite thing is that Snapdragon 865 also got the 90 FPS BGMI update. Yes, I'll be able to show that. So I won't be able to show you in the iQOO 3 device because the iQOO 3 obviously has only 60 Hz refresh rate. So in the OnePlus 8T, so the BGMI game, the Battlegrounds mobile game got updated to the 90 FPS. Yes, you can actually play that. So not only in the Dimensity 1200, you can actually play in this phone as well. So if you're thinking of high refresh rate games and everything, then definitely the Snapdragon will be slightly best. As you can see, even this is a OnePlus 8T which has got the 90 FPS as you can see, absolutely, and you can play the 90 FPS without any problem in the Snapdragon 865 processor. So I meant in the Realme X50 Pro and the Mi 10T, so you can play the 90 FPS without any kind of issues, so that should not be a problem. One more thing, the throttling you can definitely see a lot of happening in the Realme X1 Max, which is a Dimensity 1200. You may be able to see this kind of throttling issues. I'm not sure that is related to this phone or maybe other Dimensity 1200 smartphones like OnePlus Nord 2 and the Poco F3 GT. I need to test those phones, only then I'll be able to confirm. But right now with the Dimensity 1200, I did see some kind of throttling is happening. Yes, absolutely. As you can see, so the graph, how inconsistent it is in the Realme X1 Max. So in terms of the performance wise, maybe you might be experiencing this kind of lag as well, maybe in the Dimensity 1200. I meant in the Realme X1 Max. So I need to use other phones as well too before coming into the conclusion. But in the Snapdragon 865, it's absolutely really great to see. It's very good, the solid performance I'm getting, friends. Not only in this iQOO 3, even in the OnePlus 8T as well, same kind of graph I'm getting. Absolutely, yes. So in terms of the performance wise, I'll definitely pick the Snapdragon 865. Absolutely, for the gaming, for the hardcore gaming, that is a must. So this is a screenshot which I taken in the OnePlus 8T. As you can see, friends, there's no CPU throttling and you can see the performance score, how much it is. That's really insane to see. So I'm not talking about the OnePlus 8T or maybe iQOO 3 device. I'm talking about the Snapdragon 865. So basically the Snapdragon 865 is really got optimized. So for the gaming and better for the throttling as well. So you won't feel much throttling in the Snapdragon 865 processor at this moment. So in case if you're planning to buy the phone for the gaming, better try to buy the Snapdragon 865 processor. If you are getting the price, if you are getting around that kind of price, I meant for the Realme X50 Pro. That is what. So if you are buying for the smartphone for maybe from medium kind of gaming, that should be kind of okay. So medium gaming should not be any kind of issues, but for high gaming and heavy gaming, definitely you will feel some kind of lag or delay. That is what I did get the feedback from the Realme X1 Max users, saying that the game is lagging a lot. Battlegrounds mobile gameplay, when they try to play at 90 FPS, they're experiencing lagging as well. Lag a problem while playing. That is the one thing. And in terms of the temperatures, it also depends upon the type of phone manufacturer, how they are providing the cooling system. So I think at this moment the temperatures are not that, both are kind of same. The Snapdragon 865 and even the Dimensity 1200, both are kind of same in terms of the temperatures. So you should not be worried at all. But regarding the software updates and the optimization for the games, Snapdragon 865 processors are really best in terms of the optimization for the games. So not only for the Battlegrounds mobile, take any game, maybe the Call of Duty game, it's really optimized for the Snapdragon 865 processor. So you should check what are the games you're trying to play and what processors are optimized. That's another thing you need to definitely check. But overall, the final conclusion is that, friends, in case if you don't want high refresh rate, then you can go for the iQOO 3. If you want high refresh rate, you do have the options of Realme X50 Pro around that kind of price range. If you don't want that Realme X50 Pro, there is another phone which is the Mi 10T. Even if you don't want that one, there is another phone which is a OnePlus 8T option as well for you all. So thank you for watching this video, friends. This is a quick comparison between the Dimensity 1200 versus the Snapdragon 865 processor. I hope this video might be clearing all the doubts for a few of the users. And thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Bye.